welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Lovely of Lovely Budgets HK. Before I start, please apologize for my voice. I just catch cold. For today, I'm going to draw who joined our scavenger hunt and the one who do the hashtag for my channel for my video with the hashtag. My secret word is flower. So let's select H. So you put keyword here and you write down which hashtag. It's a hashtag flower without S actually. So let's see. So I have 13 comments for that and pick one. Who it's gonna be? Oh, Amiga B, you won, but you already won to other for Victoria, so I don't think you can win again. So I will take out this one then. So 12 comments, pick one winner. So it's Mamshi Queen. So Mamshi Queen is the one who will join this for the grand prize. So Mamshi Queen, Mel, you won. And what's my giveaway for this? You can have this one. Actually, it's a PDF form, but it's a PDF form, and this is oopsie one because I didn't. I'm a beginner for making saving challenges, so Mel, you win this one. Mom Chick win, you win this one, and you won, and I will print it to you and give it to you by hand. Okay. So what's gonna be next? For all of you who will join this, thank you so much. And when you already you have to go back to Jack's channel to know who's uh, who's the eight channels that will be included on the grand prize. So let's open a Happy Meal. By the way, this one I will use on my next saving challenge and I will show you later. So it's all about butterflies on my next saving challenge. It's gonna be every Wednesday. I'll try to upload it every Wednesday this month because it's summer. So I love butterflies. And I will this is all my saving challenge. So what's gonna be my Happy Meal? Let's open the Happy Meal. So this one I ordered it plus April and it comes after a month or so. Actually, I ordered this one together with other Etsy seller, but the other one doesn't come yet. And this Happy Meal come to, this logo. Yay! Madeline Budgets. Hi, Madeline. So I covered her address and my address, of course. And let's open this. Wow, I'm so excited. Oh, I don't want to. Sorry, Maddie. I need to. I cannot keep it like this. So let's. Sorry about that. What's inside? This one. I didn't open it yet. Even I want to. Because I. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Let's put it aside. Oh my God! I saw the. See, I saw this clip, paper clip. Oh my God! Thank you. Thank you so much, Maddie. This is a thank you card. and her social media, some website. She got on Instagram, YouTube, Etsy, and her email address, Madeline. And there's a note here. Okay, thank you so much for your support, lovely. Love, Madeline. Hi, Madeline. Really, I will keep this. Love and thanks. Is there any? Oh, there's a scratcher. I what's this? Oh, I love this. Ah, so in love with this paper clip. Nice paper clip. So nice, so nice. It may make my day today. What's this one? Let's see. This is a receipt. And Nalan! I ordered a scratcher from Madeline. And thank you so much, Madeline. I will enjoy it and I will use it on my next saving challenge. Ah, it will be coordinated with this three and other saving challenges that I will do. So next, let's cover this one. So this is a digital Happy Meal. Budget for me, send it through my email. This is also a digital mail that sent me. And thank you for that. And I will really appreciate you sending this. Actually, it's available on her Etsy. So if you like to purchase this, you can go to budgeting for me Etsy shop. She also have a channel in YouTube. Okay, the second another digital Happy Mail. This one I purchased. Oh no. This three or four is sent by none other than Alicia of Save with Alicia. Alicia with J. See, and it's a 4 season saving challenge. She sent it through my email as well because actually I'm so guilty about this Happy Mail because of my busy schedule at work, so I didn't do it. But she still sent me this one. So for all of you who tag me to walk and save of saving with Alicia, sorry about that. I didn't do it. I really apologize to Alicia, and I know I don't deserve it, but thank you so much. And sorry about to the one who will tag me, all the one who joined this walk and save, and I didn't join you. Sorry, I'm really sorry, and I hope you forgive me. Okay, so next Happy Mail. This is a digital. I purchased it digitally. To who? Of course, this is Alicia as well. So her Etsy channel is A for Alicia. You see, with a J at the last I. So this is a room powder, and I will actually it is a box with the small cards. Where is it? Hold on. Here. Sorry. Actually, she's having a bit different kind of so many chocolate box, coffee box. I really want to purchase those two, but thinking of myself first. So I need what I have here is powder room. This is a actually there's a room one, room two, room three, and a perfume shop. So this is what I purchased from her, including these cards. And I go to printing shop and I laminated it myself, and my daughter helped me to cut it. And so that's my Happy Mail today. And thank you so much for being here. And thank you for listening, even though my voice is different. So, for my next video, you will see me doing my, you will see me doing all my butterflies saving challenge. So this one is already put it on my scavenger hunt freebies. So if you want to have this, actually this is a three saving challenge also. Where's the rest? Here. So if you want to have this, you can go to my scavenger hunt video and you can purchase the you can not purchase, you can have this freebie if you want to play with, if you want to save and use these saving challenges. You can do whatever you want to do with this saving challenges. Yeah, you can roll and save, or you can determine how much you save for each icon. And this is a watermelon juice actually, so I just make it like this. And this is all, it's your choice, it's you're the one who will select the amount, and it's up to you how you will going to play with this. So that's all for now, and together with this one, so I'm still waiting for one more happy mail and that I purchased in SA. Hopefully it comes soon, but let's see. So thank you very much for being here, and congratulations again for the winner, Mamshi Queen. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Have a nice night. Bye for now and see you later. Be grateful. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Bye.